In this video, I'm gonna share with you why LeadsLeap is the shit for affiliate marketers. All right, let's get straight into it. First of all, what is LeadsLeap? If you don't know, LeadsLeap is an all-in-one online marketing platform for marketers. Now, you don't have to be an affiliate marketer. You could be a network marketer, or you could just be an online entrepreneur that wants to market, right? But in this video, we talking about affiliate marketing, all right? So when it comes to LeadsLeap, they have so many different benefits. But if you are an affiliate marketer, like this is, in my opinion, it's a must-have, right? Because it gives you everything you need to make money as an affiliate. So I'm about to share with you 5 reasons why LeadsLeap is a must for affiliate marketers. Reason number 1, it allows you to build an email list. Now, anytime you mess around with the whole online marketing, at some point you're gonna hear somebody say it's all in the list. All right, you need to build you a list. I don't give a damn. Build you a list. Why? Because you can't trust these social media platforms, right? You know, Facebook might change their rules tomorrow. Instagram might change. YouTube might change, all that stuff. But one thing you can always have is an email list, right? So they always recommend build a list. And this is what LeadsLeap allows you to do, and it allows you to do it very, very easily. Reason number 2, LeadsLeap is the shit for affiliate marketers, is they allow you to build very cool looking opt-in pages, sales pages, thank you pages, and download pages. Now, I have built several pages using LeadsLeap, and all of them convert very, very well. But on top of that, it's like whatever your imagination is, like you pretty much can do it with LeadsLeap. So if you got an idea of what you want a sales page to look like, or opt-in page, a different background, a color scheme, you can do it with LeadsLeap, and you can do it fairly easily. Couple YouTube tutorials and you'll be ready to create some incredible pages. Reason number 3 that LeadsLeap is a must for affiliate marketers is it allows you to build funnels. All right, now if you don't know what funnels are, it's basically when you string together multiple pages to take your visitor on a little journey, a little ride that hopefully leads to a sale. All right, so well, normally you have like an opt-in page, right? Somebody put their email in, and once they do that, it'll take them to, you know, a thank you page, right? And then that's it, right? Boom. But if you want a funnel, you get somebody that maybe they'll sign in to your email list, and then it'll take them to like a video page, right? And then it might take them to another, like an offer page, and then it might take them to a download page, and you can create all of that in LeadsLeap. Me personally, I don't really use like funnels like that, but I know a lot of people that do. I'm more of a, hey, put your email in, let's get straight to the business, like check out the offer. But if you want to create funnels, you can do it with LeadsLeap. Yes, that means you don't need the very popular ClickFunnels program that's always promoted. You can pretty much do the same thing with LeadsLeap for way cheaper. 4th reason why LeadsLeap is the shit for affiliate marketers is you can advertise in LeadsLeap. All right, so no matter what you're an affiliate of, even if you got your own product, once you are a LeadsLeap member, you can log in and you can actually advertise your business. There's multiple ways you can do it on the site. One of the main ways you can advertise is by using your credits, because they give you credits as a premium member of LeadsLeap. As a free member of LeadsLeap, you have to earn your ad credit, which means you got to pretty much look at other ads and then you earn credits, you know what I'm saying? But you can still earn ads and get whatever you're promoting seen on the platform. I am a premium member. I get free ad credits, so whatever I want to promote, I get it seen on LeadsLeap. And the 5th reason why LeadsLeap is the shit for affiliate marketing is they have their own affiliate program. right? You can actually start building a recurring monthly income just by promoting LeadsLeap. All right. And if you don't see how easy it is to promote the program and how many benefits it has, like I don't know what to tell you, right? Like I've already earned several commissions just by talking about LeadsLeap, right? And not even really like buy it. Like I'm just giving you the information, right? But most affiliate marketers understand the value. Like most people that see this video and they're really into affiliate marketing, they're really gonna be like, oh, I need to check this out, right? Like I need to check out LeadsLeap. Like if I'm taking this serious, and once you go over to LeadsLeap and you sign up, you can start absolutely free, right? You're gonna see the value. Like you don't even need me at that point. You're gonna see it. It speaks for itself, the opportunity, right? So yes, they have their own affiliate program where you can earn 50% as a premium member. You earn 50% of people you bring in. You can even earn commissions as a free member. They're just not as much. I think it's only 25% of the cost, whatever you get as a free affiliate. But you can make money on autopilot just by promoting LeadsLeap. All right. So yes, if you was wondering, debating about LeadsLeap, you've been watching other reviews and everything, it is legit. It is the real deal. And in my opinion, it's a must-have if you are serious about affiliate marketing. This is something I'm gonna be using for many years to come. And one more thing that I don't know how I left out, but the price, right? The price just to become a premium member, I believe it's like 20 bucks, 20 bucks a month. You get all of the things I talked about in this video, and it's absolutely incredible. All right. Plus, you're going to earn 50% commissions if you decide to promote LeadsLeap. But at $20, come on, man, you in the game. Look around. Well worth it. So if you want to check it out, link below. Get started.